Hello guys and welcome to another video. So first of all, welcome to Sri Lanka. Second of all, sorry for all the misspellings because my proper language is German, actually Swiss German. But forget all of this, I'm a little bit in a hurry because I went for a run, funny story, this morning on the beach, and then some fishermen asked me to help them to pull the boat in, and I helped them, and then he asked me, you want to come fishing? And I told him, yeah, for sure, let's go. And I went fishing with them for like an hour, and then I remembered, oh shit, I should have done a video about it. And now I've talked to him and he's going again, and that's why I sprinted back to the hostel I was in, like there. And now I go back to the boat and we go out again, and I film all of this. It's gonna be a great experience of Sri Lanka. So we're back. Hello. Good. Help. Oh wait, I need that. Good. Just help them to pull the boat in again. Oh, my friend's there. Good? It's okay, I make video. Now they are cleaning the fish. I had to run here, Oh. Put you here. Hey. Not good job. Venezuela. Yeah, you know Venezuela? How you take them out? Show me. After Corona, everything up, right? No. What do you think?
21?
22. You're good. What was your name again?
Huh?
Name? Tampan. So we're pulling the net in with tampan. You coming again? With me? $150, 1 kilo. Is good price or bad price? Bad. How much for 1 liter petrol? 450. Yeah. How much liter? 20.
Yeah. Alaya.
Where?
Yeah, right now going to this one.
Okay, now. You not going out?
Yeah.
After?
50 minutes.
50 minutes.
Sales one.
Good. I hope.
Yeah.
How much is this?
200.
Like 1 kilo? Not 1 kilo.
No. 200. Is the kilo here the 6 kilo?
This is 6 kilo.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Wow. So
Nah, yeah, pitik rasa ni kilo. Rasa dah dia. Oh.
so like 1,000 rupees.
Yeah.
Okay.
Dah dia.
How long is the walk to fish market?
This here, this market.
Oh, right here. Ah, cool. I'm good helper.
Yeah, good.
Hello.
Okay.
Oh, now they are weighing the fish here.
Oh. Kilo hatrad. Dah okey dah anda tu bang.
Right. 250 grams.
4 kilo.
Oh, 4 kilo. Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Media dah le.
Everything weigh?
Yeah, it's not the 400 kilo. After this kilo.
Oh, this one also. Oh, hey.
Jadi berat kilo. 5 kilo this one.
This 5 kilo.
All 7 kilo.
7 kilo. And you told me 100 rupees, so 700 rupees. Ah, he's the salesman.
Give me.
Thank you, my friend. Good.
Thank you.
Not paying good me. No.
2 kilo here the another fish market.
And what are you doing with that?
Sude Sri Lankan name.
You make food.
Food. I'm my brother house after later.
After later. Oh, you show me?
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, top.
So
Good.
that
Now fishing again.
yo after I'm going after come cooking. Now going.
Now going fishing.
Yeah.
And then come.
Okay.
Good. What is that? Like a bakery on a roller. Cool. Good.
Got it.
How do you say thank you?
Stuti.
Istuti. Ah, istuti machan. Istuti machan.
business කරපන්න
After another market. Come. You.
Good boy.
I'm working.
Yeah.
Working here with him.
Yeah.
He's my boss.
Boss, yeah.
There's another market. Oh, this is also new. What the fuck?
2 kilo. This guy is the salesman.
Oh.
After
He's salesman.
yeah. After later I'm coming the money.
Big fish. What is name of fish?
It's
Tuna.
tuna is small.
Tuna. Oh, tuna is mucho dinero.
Yeah.
How much is this?
1 kilo 1,000.
1,000 rupees. Oh, 10 times this.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay. Now
thank you, my
good.
friend. What are you doing here?
It's the cutting. It's the cooking. This cutting.
You cut in half?
Yeah.
Thank you, my friend.
Now good.
So they're cutting the fish in half there, and then the women are getting there and buy the fish, and then they're cooking at home. Right?
Where are from you?
Venezuela.
Huh?
Venezuela.
Venezuela.
Nice to meet you. What? Your name?
It's Eric.
Eric.
Yeah.
Matthias.
Matthias. Is
Matthias.
you Catholic?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Catholic. You?
Dulanje.
Kulanja.
Dulanje.
Dulanja. Matthias. Nice to meet you. I have to go fishing. Boss is
Good boy.
boss is angry.
No, not angry. He's laughing anytime. He's laughing.
Bye bye.
Bye.
How do you say bye in Sri Lanka? What was your name again? Name? Your.
Mine?
Your.
Dinesh.
Dinesh.
Dinesh Fernando.
Dinesh. How do you say hello and bye in Sri Lanka?
Hello, bye. Kohamada.
Kohomada. Hello. It's the same word.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. So I already learned 2 words. Istuti
Thank you.
and komahada.
Kohama.
Koma.
It's the Sri Lankan good.
Pretty beautiful
It's
field
the
here.
Aibo one.
Aibowan. Ah, that's also thank you, right?
Oh.
I've watched too many videos of Sri Lanka.
Yeah.
I was so stoked to come here. It's beautiful. What is the name of flower? Of flower? Sir? What is the name of flower?
Flower?
Flower, the pink one.
No, this one is the name Sri Lankan Mal.
Mal. Okay. Ooh, they have much fish. Many fish. Ooh. Hello, my friends. Many fish. I have to work with my boss.
Another side. Here? Okay?
Yeah, what? Other side. Turn.
Turn.
No. Yeah, that's good. That's good. A little bit up.
On?
No, up. Yeah. Woo. Today good weather for Sri Lanka.
Not the good today.
Many
It is
clouds.
raining.
Many clouds.
Yeah.
Thank you for taking me.
Yeah.
How much does fisher net cost?
It's one leg. 50,000.
50,000 rupees.
Yeah.
So he told me that the whole net cost 50,000 rupees.
One.
Oh, that's
After here the 6 here. Is the after this broken?
after 6 years it's gone.
Oh yeah, it's broken.
Broken.
It's after one piece 10,000 rupees. It's broken. Now good.
And fixing?
Machine 50,000. Cleaning.
He cleaning net?
Yeah.
Ah. But he not cleaning now.
Now it's too much people here. This guy net cleaning. After another one boat coming, this guy cleaning.
Oh, clean net.
Yeah.
Is everybody a team here?
No.
Everybody own group? You.
I'm in the team.
Okay.
This guy also another boat is going.
Other team, but everybody helps everybody?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Like I help you pull the boat.
Yeah.
Get that fish. Should we give?
No, this guy.
Our. Put here. For later.
Next cooking. This one turn. Turn. Wait. Go.
Okay, sorry.
Then wait around.
Ah, so it's twisted and now they are turning it. Oh. So you have to pay him
Yeah.
half of the win?
Mean is the fish catching.
Half of the win
No.
from the fish.
It's the bill is what it is after petrol is the money here the petrol too much petrol finishing is the government money petrol.
Ah.
After with this guy here the go This one, and 3. Here both is the repair.
After paying everything,
Yeah.
then you pay him.
No, it's a today not the pay in the 1,000. The petrol 6.
Today no pay.
Today too much. Sorry. After going
How much does that petrol last?
Sri Lankan money 600, 6,500 rupees.
6,500 rupees for 5 liters or more. 20 liters. 6,500 rupees for 20 liters of petrol.
20 liter, 1 oil. 1 liter oil.
Oh, oil. Oh, it's 2 times. How do you say? Motor. Ah.
20 liter, 1 oil. 1 liter
Every
oil.
day is the one
Do you have to mix petrol and oil, or
oil.
they sell it together? Sell oil and petrol together,
Yeah.
or
after,
do you mix?
Yeah, this here can after.
This is mixed.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Motor 2 motor with oil,
Yeah.
and
after-
this motor also with oil.
Oh yeah.
Because-
Also motor
Oh,
oil.
because
Oil.
there are motors without oil, only petrol.
This engine is the tuk-tuk.
Two tocks.
Yeah.
Ah.
It's the, not the only petrol oil.
Two-tok. Ah. Two-tok means 2 times. I don't know. It's the kind of the engine.
This engine here the 2 piston. 2 piston. The engine.
2 piston. Oh, yeah, I get it. 2 piston engine. Because motor with 4 piston, no oil.
It's the, not the government. Only 25 motor speed. After going to the engine 40.
Ah, 25.
This 25. This 40.
Ah. Horsepower.
Yeah. Horsepower.
Ah. So that all the motors here have 25 horsepower, and if you are going over that, you have to go to the government and make a license.
Yeah.
Ah, good. Can you eat?
No.
No eating. Not good. Good.
Push. Oh dia. Jakran.
More?
Okay.
Not more?
Okay. Bara. Alah. Oh dia. Ikan baru tangan donan deh. Okay.
Good. Not more?
Ini ada mantap bro. Ralla magi tondara anda kone.
Ah. Hey, good luck.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Another boat. Oh! Up. No! You good? Good? Hold it. Yeah, hold it.
You're a good man, nah?
Hey, good luck. I'm working here. Trying to help everywhere. Ah. Last one. Good. We ready to go?
Yeah.
Petrol stays here? Or in boat? In boat. I think we are ready to go. You also coming? You stay here?
Going?
I going, yeah.
Okay.
Again.
Okay, yeah.
I already been fishing. Like 1 hour ago.
1 hour. 1 hour. Okay.
1 hour I went fishing.
yeah.
Yeah. This fish we catch 1 hour ago.
1 hour.
1 hour.
Oh.
I went fishing.
1 hour.
And now again.
No, again.
I'm working.
Working. Yeah, working. Good.
Good. Working is good.
Working good.
Strong.
Go.
But we have to catch more fish.
Which country?
Venezuela.
Venezuela.
What about you? Here, Sri Lanka?
Yes, Sri Lanka.
Cool. Sri Lanka, cool.
Sri Lanka.
Good people. Good people.
Good.
That's the petrol, right? You help? You help? I pull.
You back. This side. Okay.
Good. Everything?
Yeah, okay. Oh. Này.
You good. You good worker.
Oh, yeah.
Good filmer.
Okay.
Stays here or go?
Yeah, this here. Men. Punele. Bondane. This one.
First?
Yeah. Okay. This one is the water coming board. Going to this one. Here the boat.
Aha.
Is the water coming?
Do you take that out when you go out?
Yeah.
For what? What reason?
Yeah.
Why?
Is this net coming after water? Water going to this side area.
Ah, to let the water out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now going.
So he pulls the string out, so the whole water goes out. Good?
It's not.
No, not mine. I don't have no money.
Harun. Everything.
Turn, first turn.
Yeah. Oh wait.
Ah. Good. 1, 2, 3. Waiting for wave.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, okay.
I help.
Yeah. You get it.
Okay. Now we're in the boat. Hoppa! There are the people swimming from the nice hotels, and we are working here. I saw that he did it like that, and now I'm copying him. Woo! That's real Sri Lanka, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boats out here. There are probably Some fishes here. Hello, my friend. Good. So now we are waiting and try to see if we can see any fishes here. And if we see them and jump, we're gonna throw the net in. Can you give me the cap? Thank you, my friend. What did he tell you?
This guy tell today not the fish. Take this one.
We go further. I want to go to the south.
Down south.
Down south to Ella,
Trincomalee,
Midigama,
American,
Weligama.
Veligama.
But Weligama many tourists, right?
Yeah.
But surfing, I want to go surfing.
You shopping?
Surfing and fishing with you. Is Ella good?
Hello, good.
Beautiful.
It's good. This month is the raining after walking this place. Not
Okay.
only is this 1 week on the beach side area good.
1 week.
Yeah, after another side, okay.
Okay. My friend, you want
No,
water? You?
okay. That's
Yes?
the Sri Lankan name. Your friend Sri Lankan tell the Yalua.
Friend is Yalua.
Yeah.
So
The name Yalua.
Yalua. You both Yalua. My Yalua.
Yalua. Yes.
You're teaching me so many words, I forget all. Ishtuti,
Yeah.
Yalua, and
It's the
hello.
hello Kohmad.
Komad.
How are you? Tell the it's the Kohmad.
That's the same.
Yeah.
Komad.
All but not the net sea today.
What?
Now, not
Yeah.
the boat sea, not the net, not the fishing coming. After later.
Yeah.
All but sit down.
All boats sit down. No one is catching. No one is throwing the net out. We have time, right?
Today night,
Yeah.
all fishermen after this work is finishing, after going to the home, is the one beer, also drinking.
Today after fishing?
Fishing people,
Yeah.
many people after going to the home,
Home.
after one beer, also.
Is
drinking.
home church? Or what is home?
Tomorrow morning going to the church.
Tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
And what is home?
Going to the Catholic.
A Catholic is home.
Yeah.
Okay.
Many Nigambo here the many people Catholic. Little here the this Muslim is the Hindu. No.
Oh.
Is the Saudi Arabia is people this area.
Is Saudi Arabia is home.
Um,
And Catholic is for a church is for Catholic.
this here the another people.
Okay.
This area.
How long is it to go to Colombo
Going to
with
the
bus?
bus going to the Colombo 1 hour.
1 hour bus.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
You are going to the Colombo, is the Nigambo going to the
Tomorrow, Colombo.
you
Tomorrow.
going?
Yeah.
How many time you going?
I go Colombo first, and then down south to Weligama, Midigama. And
You how many time going to the Colombo morning?
I haven't. I just
I am
came with plane
No, no, no.
We've playing yesterday.
Yesterday you
Yesterday.
play.
Today, first day.
But today you come Sri Lanka.
Yeah, first day Sri Lanka. And now fishing.
Yeah. You going to the? I'm my friend here the tuk tuk.
Your friend has tuk-tuk, yeah?
Yeah. I'm here the drop you morning.
Ah,
It's the bus stand.
boss is dead.
Yeah, it's the
Why?
Colombo going to the bus here the this place area.
Ah, your friend with tuk-tuk bring
yeah.
me to bus place.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you, my brother.
How many time you going? Morning.
Oh,
Tomorrow.
which time? Oh, in the morning, I think. Maybe
9 o'clock.
9, 10 o'clock, yeah.
Okay.
Good?
You are here the phone, my number save.
Yeah. What's
You-
up? Oh,
No, normal not the call, you?
no call because
You WhatsApp number, I tell.
WhatsApp okay for calling
Yeah, I'm tell the number.
afterwards. That's
okay.
good.
No, this
He towered it.
no. This one.
Yeah. Our
This
name.
is a calling tower. This.
Calling. Ah, calling tower. But you know other tower? This one, I think.
This one
Oh,
also.
there are many towers.
This
But
also.
in Colombo, big one with
yeah.
boat. Is what is this? Hotel, restaurant?
Colombo.
Yeah. What is this?
This here the Colombo area is the Sri Lankan name Gold Pace.
Gold Pass.
It's the Shangri-La, Galada. It's this area here the Nelimkulun. Sri Lankan name Nelimkulun.
Yeah.
This area going to the
Is this a restaurant or
restaurant.
or hotel or what is?
Not the little. Too much expensive this area.
Ah, expensive.
Going to the normal restaurant here the Galkis.
Galkis.
Yeah.
It's the name of restaurant.
Yeah.
Small restaurant.
No, here the main restaurant Galkis.
Ah.
This side here.
Yeah.
It's the Colombo here. 5 kilometer Galkis.
Yeah.
After this side normal restaurant many here. This the another side.
What is name of this area?
This area Sri Lankan tell the Vennapur.
Vennapur.
Yeah.
Ah.
It's the
So on this side is Vennapur.
this side,
On this
Negombo.
side, Negombo. Ah, good. Thank you. On the right on the beach. Yeah. Sea Sands Hostel.
Season Hostel.
Yeah.
Season Hostel
It's 4 euros.
Yeah.
Per night.
€4.
Yeah. 4 euro.
Again,
Not much. It's like 2,000 rupees.
2,000 rupees.
Yeah.
Only sleeping no.
Only sleeping. Only sleeping and fishing and working all day.
Yes.
Now you see him running, and now we see us.
Yes.
And
After net down, you on this one.
after net.
Yeah, on.
Yeah, when we put in,
yeah,
because action, right?
yeah.
That's action.
This off. This off.
This now it's running,
Right.
filming now. But now I can turn off. These are all coconut trees.
Yeah.
Why do you sell coconut? Why don't?
No, this coconut, one coconut, 120 rupees.
Yeah, you can go up a tree, take coconut,
yeah.
and then sell.
No,
Why not?
it's the here.
Not your tree.
No, not the here the another people is the selling.
But why don't you sell?
No, I am Mr. Fisherman.
You're fishing. How much do you earn when working in a hotel? Do you have a friend working in hotel?
No.
No. But how much does
It's the
earn money? How much do you?
too much people here the hotel after not the coming. It's the corona, it's the bomb blasting
Yeah.
after not the this Negombo. tourists.
Yeah.
Is there too much people here? My friend also going to the other country.
Or to other country
Yeah.
to work.
Too much people going. It's not the salary, good salary.
Ah.
It's the 1 month 50,000.
50,000 rupees per month. Where are they working? Other country? Which one?
This one here after 10,000 only.
Oh, 10,000 per month.
Is the
And other country 50.
Not the this the enough after going to the flight. Another country is the 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakhs going to the.
Yeah.
It's the Dubai.
Oh, Dubai.
It's another Romania.
Romania.
Italy.
Italy.
Another people going to the.
Ah, good salary.
Yeah.
So
I am not the going to the.
before Corona, many tourists in Sri Lanka.
Yeah.
And after Corona,
Not
now
no,
many
no.
tourists. No,
Not the corona, not the. It's now good.
now it's good.
It's the government not good. Too much broken. Too much people, money, lost.
Ah,
Not the good. It's the government.
yeah,
Too much. Every day very expensive.
yeah.
I'm eating is the today morning eating is the 500 rupees eating.
You paid 500.
This the 3 weeks not the another 100 rupees, 200 rupees eating.
Yeah,
Too much very expensive. Every
yeah.
day.
And when I go eating, oh, because tourists, right? Tourists pay more.
2003.
Tourists.
Yeah. I come to my house going to eat it.
You invite me to your house?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you very much. I come eat it.
Yeah.
Dinner?
Yeah.
Ooh, fish?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, good. Everybody's waiting, huh?
Yeah.
I want to go to market in Colombo. Market
Yeah.
and buy shirt, cricket.
Because
Sri Lanka cricket shirt.
Is the Colombo going to the Maradan? Going to the your stop bus stand place.
Maradan.
Yeah.
That's market.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. I go
It's
Maradan.
here the not the price is the normal area.
Uh-huh.
The cheap money. It's
Yeah.
Going to the bus landing, you down after Maradan area. So you are in the shop.
Ah, Maradan area.
Yeah,
It's price down.
down.
Ah, and in normal market price up.
Yeah,
Ah,
normal here the shop. Also here the normal.
Yeah, much, huh?
Yeah.
How much does cricket shirt? Sri Lanka cricket shirt cost?
1,500 rupees.
1,500 rupees. Okay, that's
It's not the shop going to the guy 10,000.
No.
Too much expensive. This here the outside market 1,000.
1,500 rupees.
Only 2,000.
Okay. 2,000 is the highest. Not much. Not more paid.
Yeah.
I go Colombo, buy cricket shirt and get haircut.
Are you cutting this one?
Cutting hair, yeah. It's long.
Here my
You see?
friend here. You cutting?
Your friend is.
Yeah, here my place.
Okay.
I'm cutting. That's good.
You also cutting?
Yeah.
Maybe today.
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 Now, going to the cutting.
Cutting. Good.
Okay.
You have friends who cuts?
Yeah.
Cool.
This is the friend is working this job.
Ah, job. How much?
Is the I am cutting is the 500 rupees.
You cutting? Then I pay 1,000 maybe.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, does he say more?
Okay. Good.
What does? How much? For me?
1,000.
1,000. Okay.
Yeah.
I don't tell him that you pay 500.
Okay. This engine from the Sri Lankan 4 lakhs. This now
Yeah.
8 lakhs.
8 legs.
This one. This boat 2 lakhs. Now 5 lakhs.
Oh,
Finishing. Now brand new
yeah.
5 lakhs.
5 lakhs.
Corona is danger.
Legs, how much is legs? Like 1,000 legs.
This one now the
Oh, calling.
this my wife.
Oh,
Hello. Oh. This my wife tell
Ah.
you come.
Ah,
Tell
they thank you.
you
Thank
come.
you.
Okay. Ari.
Haircut. The friends have friends.
Friends haircut, then eating. Good day, good day today. Good first day of Sri Lanka. Your wife happy
Yeah,
that I come or angry?
No,
No,
happy.
happy, good.
My children also happy.
Oh, your children too?
Yeah.
2 children.
Big one 12 age.
12. Ah,
Another one 10.
10. School?
Yeah.
Going to school.
12 age going to the 7. 7.
7? Yeah. 10 class.
7 class. Another one 4 class.
4 class. Ah, okay. And how long are they going to school? 15, 16?
Oh, 15 minutes.
No, years. 15? No, he's...
It's the morning time going to the 7 o'clock.
Okay.
After back 2 o'clock.
2? 2
Yeah.
o'clock. Ah.
It's the 8.
And age? Like 15, 16, 17, 18? 18, then finish.
Yeah.
Then university? Or...
No, going to the 12. 12 going to the. 12 going to the
Ah.
after university.
Ah, okay. After 12 they go into the university.
1, 2, 3 going to the after 10, after 12,
After 12 university
Yeah.
till 18.
Yeah.
Ah. And then working.
Finishing 12 o'clock also.
Ah,
After
because tomorrow is Sunday.
Sunday going to the church.
Ah, so it's now. It's 12.
2 o'clock.
Ah, 2. Okay, 2 o'clock finish.
It's a Nigambo. Many people here, the Catholic, many church here. Nigambo.
Many Catholic. And Hindu, how many?
How little.
Little.
Hindu is the Buddhist little.
Buddhist?
Is the another this
Yeah. Muslim.
Muslim.
Ah,
Mosque. Other people this little. Many.
I arrived yesterday at
Yeah.
10 o'clock.
10 o'clock.
Evening 10.
Ah.
Then I go sleep, wake up. I went for a run and then I
run.
saw you.
President is the Mahinda Rajapaksa.
President of Sri Lanka.
Yeah. Is the this children this hotel.
His hotel.
Yeah.
Ah.
Too much the money.
Ah.
This is not the people, not the
Yeah.
this too much.
So the hotel owns the
Government.
president.
President.
Kallan Hora.
Everything.
Yeah.
We are now changing the place again because there were no fishes here. So the guy approached me on the beach and told me that I should come on his catamaran. That's the catamaran. The high, 1,000.
Yeah.
And then he say no and then say maximum the high.
Okay.
Good. Ah, I tell people only 5 days. Ah, good. Why only 5 days?
Your first time.
They want more money?
You are not the first time in Sri Lanka come. He's too much money. These people.
Oh,
Catching.
I tell them 5 times.
Yeah.
Oh, I now I get it. Oh.
Friend,
I tell.
you tell Negombo friend you have.
I have friend Negombo. Everybody, my
friend you have.
Yeah. No, I don't tell the first time. I tell
After
first time.
you tell, I'm here the Miris my friend. I the Hikaru my too much friend.
Yeah.
You tell it is another
Okay.
people.
Yeah, I know. I have 2 fishermen friends in Negombo.
Your Monday come 5:30. Fishing go.
5:30.
Oh, why?
Monday.
Limit.
Monday I'm in Colombo or more.
Monday?
South, yeah, more south.
But
Fish no.
No fishes, huh?
Late. I'm late.
now going to the landing. Okay.
Good, yeah, that's good, no problem. Top. We are going back to the land because there aren't any fishes and they are finishing at 2 p.m. No, it's good. Up again. So we now need more people to pull up the boat. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Does the boat stay here overnight? What is that? Hello? Who? 1, 2 or what?
No, it's the tell hello.
Hello?
Yeah.
You want?
Water?
Yeah. Take. So finish. No fishes, huh? Oh, I look at engine. Engine.
Yeah.
Hello, sir. Broken?
No, it's a clean.
Ah,
Today.
cleaning. Ah.
This one horsepower.
40 horsepower.
Yeah, I'm going to the 25.
So, license. He has
Yeah.
license, huh?
Yeah.
Ah. This is petrol, right? To clean.
It's the Bumitel, Sri Lankan tail. It's cleaning.
Oh, the time. Which time? Cutting hair and
Now,
now. Oh.
okay?
I think I only have 1,000 rupees with me. Wait. How much is cutting hair?
1,000. Give me.
Yeah, 1,000. That's okay?
Okay.
Then I don't have to go to a hostel again. Going to your house?
My house go. Okay.
My friend, thank you.
My friend here. Hello, my dear friend.
Hey, my friend, you again?
No fish.
No fish. Bad.
Yeah, it's
Bad
tomorrow.
luck.
Yeah, he's telling us tomorrow morning you come.
No, tomorrow I go Colombo.
After is how many days stay in Colombo?
I don't say.
Lord God.
5 times Sri Lanka. Bye bye, my friend. Oh, this is your tuk-tuk? Ah, cool. I can sit here?
Yeah.
So he's now driving me to the hairdresser to cut my hair. To a friend of him. To a friend of him. Not many tourists here, right? No touristy area.
It's only Muslim.
Oh, mosque, right? Everyone is closing shop.
Yeah. After about 5 o'clock.
Ah.
मैं बोंडा कपा करने में बैठी है ना बोंडा बोंडा हाँ
Is he closed?
ये बैठी है ना
Closed? Or good?
good little you cutting this one
Cutting hair?
बोंडा कपन cut
Good.
you sit down
Thank you. It's okay I make video? No.
okay I'm
No. Okay for him.
और वीडियो का गात्र कवर का दिखला
Good. You can put it here.
okay
Nope.
मुझे की लाभ
Good. Good.